Are you tired of rain-soaked cargo and sun-bleached gear? Discover the ultimate solution with our Lomax Tonneau cover review. Join us as we unveil the features that set this cover apart from the rest, delivering unmatched protection and style for your truck. Say goodbye to compromises and hello to durability and sleek design. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or a daily commuter, this review will transform the way you think about truck bed covers. Don't miss out. Watch now. Access delivers premium truck bed protection with the Access B10100-195 feet 6 inches Lomax hard tonneau cover. A top-tier folding cover that blends rugged durability with a sleek, low-profile design, crafted with a tough aluminum exterior finish and durable vinyl material. This cover is engineered for strength and weather resistance. The hard tri-fold design ensures quick and easy access to your truck bed while maintaining a tight, secure seal. It sits just above the bed rails, giving your truck a clean, streamlined appearance. The cover locks with the tailgate, enhancing cargo security without the need for additional locks or keys. With a lightweight yet strong build, it's simple to operate and remove when needed. Measuring 70.49 inches in length, 31.99 inches in width, and 7.999 inches in height, and weighing just under 71 pounds. It fits perfectly and installs easily. Whether you're commuting, hauling, or exploring off-road, this tonneau cover provides the ultimate combination of style, function, and protection.